one of the free themes that I like a lot is this Sydney theme. You could check out the demo at demo.athemes.com/Sydney, as in Sydney, Australia. But this theme has nothing to do with Australia, believe me. So if you scroll down, you could see how this theme looks like. You could have your services listed here, services and support that you provide, your team portfolios, your testimonials, your projects and your work, about you or your company, a video, customers' logos, latest news, and a lot more. It is also one of the most popular free themes available on WordPress.org. Down here, you click on more info. You could see that currently there are over 200,000 active installs. So let's go ahead and learn how to install this Sydney theme.